In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to create organic collage art. We'll start from a blank browser and end with a finished AI-generated collage inspired by your reference image. Keep your reference photo ready on your computer and make sure it's clear, well lit, and high enough resolution for best results. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. Look for the official result that points to gemini.google.com, then click through to open the Gemini app. Once you're in, find the Create Image option. Clicking this button launches the image generation feature often referred to here as Nano Banana, which is what we'll use to craft our organic collage artwork. On the image creation screen, look for the plus icon to upload a reference image. Click it and select your photo. Choose an image with a clean background if possible. It helps the model focus on the subject. If you're working with a portrait, center the face and ensure the eyes are sharp. JPG or PNG files work well, and medium to large sizes generally produce better detail. Now, write a clear prompt that tells the model exactly what you want. You can start with the provided example. Hyper-realistic 3D organic collage portrait of an Asian man with black-rimmed glasses, messy black hair with prominent gray streaks, and a goatee. Then, add styling details that emphasize the collage look. Mention layered paper textures, torn edges, pressed botanical shapes, and organic materials like fibers or leaf silhouettes. Specify the mood and palette, such as warm neutrals with muted greens, soft directional light, and a shallow depth of field. If you want a clean presentation, include a minimal background or a softly textured paper backdrop. Clarity helps the model, so aim for descriptive phrases rather than long, complex sentences. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. The model will generate one or more images based on your reference and instructions. Give it a moment to process. Review the results closely. Check facial features, the richness of textures, and how well the layered organic collage effect comes through. If something's off, tweak your prompt. You can strengthen material cues, adjust color, or refine composition terms like close-up portrait, three-quarter view, or centered framing. Then submit again to iterate toward your ideal result. When you're happy, download your image and save a copy of your final prompt for future projects. That's all you need to use Nano Banana inside Google Gemini to create organic collage art. Try different references, vary materials and lighting, and keep refining your wording. The clearer the guidance, the stronger the art.